Hey, what's up, everybody? Just doing another video today on my phone due to the fact that I cannot record from the Fire TV to my computer due to the copyright bullshit they have. But anyways, what I want to show here is I know Terrarium was down, but it's back, kind of. And also, there's FreeFlix, FreeFlix HQ, and then there's Tea Time TV, or this is FreeFlix HQ. That is Tea Time, or TTV, I should say. Sorry about that. Anyways, what you do is you're going to follow my instructional setup here that I had on Kodifire.tv, our website. And then that will tell you how to download this here. It's called File Linked. And so let's get started here. And pretty much it's going to go back to how to have Terrarium TV going. So once you have everything set up through the instructions we provided, I'll provide a link in the description down below. You're going to go ahead and hit File Linked. And first of all, I wanted to say this is brought to you by New Tech Revolution's YouTube channel. He made this public, or I should say he posted this earlier, but I just want to show you guys, my audience, how all this goes in case you don't follow him. Follow New Tech Revolution on YouTube, and he has a lot of good Kodi stuff, advice. So it's going to ask for a code. And on this code, you can just type all twos. I think there's about, 3, 6, there's 8 of them. And then you're going to hit continue. So you'll go up there. And then it'll ask you for a PIN number. And that PIN number is going to be 4754. You'll go ahead and hit next. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and hit continue again. And here you have this, disclaimer. You can just hit dismiss. And on here, you're going to see the version that says patched. You can go here to, I'm on this side. Apologize for this crappy video. Just go ahead and dismiss this. So I hate doing these things on the phone. But anyways, then you'll see Terrarium TV patched. You'll click this arrow right here. It'll say patch version downloaded. And then you'll see the progress. And I'm going to go ahead and skip this because I already installed it. Or actually, we'll just go ahead and install it again. You'll hit the play button here. It's going to say install. You'll click that. And this is the great thing about File Link. Once you have it set up, you can just enter codes and it'll download any APK or whatever we have pushed out. I'm thinking about doing this pretty soon with a lot of stuff, our stuff. Once people have this set up, now it's easier instead of going through different URLs and whatnot. Anyhow, you're going to hit open once it's completed. And here you have Terrarium TV once again. I know everybody's been asking for it. And it's back for who knows for how long, but let's just take a look here. I know this aired today. It's a great show if you have not seen it yet. You click on this, the season, or just click season 1. And this should have 2 episodes out, and there you have it. I'm not going to play because the last video I did that, it got shut down. But that is how to set up Terrarium TV, and also the same way if you follow the link that I posted earlier. I'll post here in the description. That'll get you the FreeFlix, which is this one right here. It's kind of the same layout. You open it, looks just like Terrarium TV. You back out of that one, and then we have also the TTV right here. So it's very similar. Just try them out, see what works for you. And again, like I said, this is like a Terrarium like APK or app, and same process except it has ads. Or they both have ads. You can just kind of bypass. But anyways, there you have it. Be sure to like our video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, post them down in the comments below, and we'll try to get back to you. Like us on Facebook and so forth. Until next time, happy streaming.